Clearing your search history on Hopper can help maintain your privacy and improve your experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account options. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the account settings until you find the Privacy section. This area contains options related to your data and search history. Step 4. Clear Search History. In the Privacy settings, look for an option labeled Clear Search History or similar. Tap on this option to initiate the process of deleting your past searches. Step 5. Confirm Deletion. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice and your search history will be deleted. Now you can enjoy a fresh start with your Hopper app. Regularly clearing your search history can enhance your privacy and ensure a more personalized experience.